All right, guys, so today I want to show you something pretty quick. You might have run into this problem before, you might not, but I want to show you a workaround for how to turn time correct off. So, and what I mean by that is you can't do it by default. Every time you do an empty project, it'll turn it on. So you'll notice there, time correct is on. But what I have set up here is that if you utilize templates, it will actually save the time correct for you, whether you have it on or off. So if I go here to my user template, check this out. It flashes for a sec, but then it goes right back off. So that way, by default, I have time correct off. The one thing I want to note about this is normally I like to keep my strength down, probably more like 40, 43. But every time I load my template, even if I save the template with the strength down, it automatically goes back up to 100%. So I don't know, maybe there's a fix for that. Maybe there will be in a future update. But as of right now, this is the best workaround I could find. So essentially all you need to do is start a new project. And then we'll just go to just a regular empty project. And so by default, you'll see time correct is back on. So go ahead and turn it off, hit close, and then come over here, save the project as, and then you're going to go over here and hit save as template. So I just go ahead and you can leave it untitled. You can call it, I just called it main. That way I kind of know that that's like my main template. That's just for me personally. Anyway, you can go ahead and save it. In this case, I'm overwriting my template, overwrite. And then so that way, you'll notice time correct's off. So when we go to new project, taking a sec, go to remind me later, and then go to user template. And you'll notice that time correct is indeed off. That's what it looks like when it's on. That's what it looks like when it's off. So hope that helps you guys. It kind of helped me. You should use templates anyway. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what you should or shouldn't do, but templates are definitely super helpful. So that way, if you make beats, it adds to your workflow. Like it reduces time and everything. So, ideally you have a template set up with all your different, kits and stuff set up, ready to go. So that way you can just get to making music. And that's kind of my goal here at this channel, is to help you just not have to worry so much about the technical stuff and just get to making music, which is the most important thing. So hope that helps you guys. See you in the next one.